Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are listening to me from. My name is Solomon BUORO, a Microsoft trainer and a Microsoft trainee. I am here again. Sorry for the long distance it took bringing this up. As I've promised before, I should have come up before now, but due to some circumstances, that is why. So in our last video, we talked about how to I think this here. We talk about how to add a multiple users. Sorry, let me just go back a little. It is the last two. Okay, yeah, we'll talk about how to concatenate. You know, I said how to concatenate in Excel will help us out in creating multiple users using CSV. So, and today we'll be diving into uploading multiple users using what? A CSV file. Now, the previous one, if we are to go by it, I remember I said something like adding rows and columns. And if you are to add rows and columns, you know, it take a longer time for you to fill it, keep adding. But in CSV file, a file will just be open for you, open to you in an Excel, just to fill it. And when you fill it, the maximum you can fill is 249. 249 per. Okay, let's just go this way. I went to ask for pilot in my other account, and the question was how many users can be created using CSV file upload in M365 tenants, and they replied Copilot gave me in Microsoft 365 when using the CSV file upload method via the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you can create up to 249 per 249 users per CSV file. It means if you need 250, the best you can do is you first of all create 249 and now add one manually, use another method or this. If you have about 700, it means you should be taking them 249 per users, per creation. So, but if they are more than that, I said, however, if you need to create more than 249 users, split your users across across multiple CSV files and upload them one after another. Here, he said you can also use what Microsoft Graph PowerShell, which does not have the 249 user limit, allowing you to create 250 plus users in a single operation. So if you want to create more than 249, what you do is use PowerShell, or else you come back to the CSV file, which creates only 249. So let's move straight to what we are having this morning. So let me go back to my tenant. Let's assume I'm here. Oh, let me go back home. Remember, you know how to navigate, how to get yourself here. You just come home. From home, we enter users. Then from users, you enter active users. Don't mind me, in my own tenant, you are seeing that when you come home, you're already seeing something like simplify view, add users, edit users, this, that. That's not a problem. But in your own admin, in your own account, you may not see this. So by virtue, you don't see that here is general active user. When you go to active user, you will say add a user, which is only one. Use template, user template, add multiple users. So we are in multiple users. We've done this by filling this already. So where we are going to now is I would like to upload a CSV with user information. Now, the next step is download one of the files, open the file in Excel or a similar app and add the information. So here, what you do now is either you said download a blank CSV file with the required headers. This one will give you header. Why the second one? Download a CSV file that includes example user info. The difference is this one will give you the headers and it will still give you the example like number one. We'll fill number one for you just for you to edit number one and two. But this one will just, this first one will give you only the heading, like name, surname, username, multiple name, department, and all the rest. But this second one will give you name, Agbalumo. That is the surname, Agbalumo. First name, Mango. Then username, Agbalumo.mango. Yeah, which is UPM. Agbalumo.mango are this. Then display name, Agbalumo mango or mango and agbalumo. It depends on how you want it to be. So this one gives you example. Why this one does not give you example? So let's go with this one that's I'll give you example. At least we have matured enough. So it's downloaded. So let's open the file now. The file is running. So from here, this is the template it's giving us, username. So let's assume, okay, here we're having the username. Let's assume the first name is just as we said, Agbalumo. Please don't mind the names. Agbalumo. Then that is the, oh, sorry, not even username. Let's go with the first name first. The first name, let's just say the first name is Abayomi. Let's go with this way. Abayomi. Why the last name is Sunday. Then the next person is Sikira. Then you have Jimo. Please, your name is mentioned here. It means you are privileged. So I also have Said. Heed. Sorry. Heed. Said. Musa. Then you have Joseph. You have Joseph, Michael. Then let's just make it 5. Then you have Lazarus. Oh, it's like Lazarus, my friend has already named another name. You have Mary, Kayode. These are the names. Now, and this name, these are the, okay, let me just adjust so that you can see. Okay, let me adjust. This, okay, this one is only adjusting. So for the display name now, it means it will be this and this, right? So let's concatenate now. I want to, instead of me typing these two, this and this here again, or dragging this, then we can drag both of them together here. So I can concatenate. This is it now. Let me concatenate this and this. Then come to my function. There's already a concatenate. Yours if it's not there, you can type it here. So it's already there. So I will okay it. What do I want to put here? I want to put this and this. So it will now be this. Then am I putting anything between them? Yes, space, which is dash. Then the next place, the next thing I'm putting here is all this. So I'm not putting anything again. So once I click OK, you can see it here. Abayomi Sunday. Abayomi Sunday. First name, last name. So I brought both of them together. Another good thing about it is instead of me bringing this and this together again, if I click on this and drag it down, you will see them automatically appearing here. You can see this has come here, this has come here, this has come here. That is concatenating. You are bringing them together like a chain. You are chaining them from one place to another. So this username, I want to also do something. I want to also concatenate. So in my own organization, it's first name underscore last name at my own domain. So let me go. So what do I want? I want to concatenate this first name. First name, the next piece I want to appear is what underscore. Then after underscore, the next thing I want to happen again is what the last name. Then my domain now, which is at mpeace.onmicrosoft.com. So do I need to put anything again? No. So by the time I click on OK, so let me adjust this again so that I can see it fully. Exactly. So Abayomi underscore solo, sorry, Abayomi underscore Sunday at mpeace.onmicrosoft.com. So if instead of me to concatenate here again, what I do is I can just drag this one down so I can repeat all this. That's one advantage. Very seamless, easy instead of typing. let me call it automation. Now, what if you now say, okay, if I mistakenly drag it more than that, what will appear? You know, there's nothing here. Okay, let me redo. There's nothing here. So what will now appear here? Let me show you what will appear here. What to concatenate is what will appear there. What's not there? Look at this. The domain, we don't know what will appear there. There's no name here. So it's only what you added to this that will show here. So let me return it back. Now I'm done. Let me save my CSV file. Let me save it on the desktop so that it will be easy for me to upload. Save, okay. Save as. Where's my desktop? Let's save it on my desktop. That is import user template. Okay, it's saved already. So I'm done. Let me come back to my. So next thing is once you are done. Okay, before then, let me show you something. And okay, look at this here. Let's assume I made a mistake. So let me come here. Let's assume I make a mistake in domain. I remove this. I remove all. It's not allowing me. It's not allowing me. It's not allowing me. Oh, there's something I really wanted to do. It's not allowing me. Okay. Anyway, we'll find it one day. But whenever you are uploading yours and you find a mistake, it will tell you where the mistake is. That's one good thing about it. It will tell you where the mistake is. And if it's something that you added, or something you're not supposed to add, it will tell you. So now let me upload. It said upload CSV file with your user information. Then let me look for it. Desktop. Import user. Yeah, this is it. It's already here. So let me upload. So it's validating it. I'm 100% sure that there's no issue about it. That's why it's showing me this. So I've already browsed. So what I need to do now is what next. Now, if you can remember, how many users? 5, right? That's why I mean the select location. They are all from Nigeria. Then I can decide to assign license to them, or I just leave it. Let me just leave it. Let me give them only power. Or let me give this power app. This one we see very many here. Microsoft Power Apps for developer. Then if I don't want to assign the license, I just click on this. So this particular license has 3 apps. That's why you're seeing this here. These are the apps 1, 2, 3. Then the next thing is next. Now I'm reviewing to see. No, I didn't license, but I didn't buy any license. I didn't buy any license. So these are just the license assigned and all. Then add users. If you go to my okay. So if they are all in a company and they are about, let's just say 600 or 700, by the time I do this in multiple places, what I need to do is either I print it and send it to them or just download the user details. If they are all in a group, you just to download it, upload it on that group and send was okay, I just upload and send to them. The system has already been set, the tenant has already been set to whenever you are signing in afresh or the first time, you should change your password. So they will now decide to change their password to their own respective and what they will be used to be signing in. So they will change their password on their first sign in. So we can see that this password now, they are all different. They are all different passwords. So they don't want to change it by themselves. If they change it, I can't have access to their password again. So after that, close. Let me go and check Mary Kayode if she's in my tenant. I don't know if it's a he or a she. Mary Kayode. There's MMMMIJKLM. Yeah, Mary Kayode is here. So let's assume Mary Kayode wants to log in now after sending it to them. Then let me just pick a password. Sorry, I'll have to just change it so that I can have that's what I'm saying. Automatically create password. They require the users to on their first sign in. Then let me just copy the password now. Copy. Let me copy a username. Copy. Then let me Go and sign her in. Someone come sign in with a different account. Then use another account. So let me record your day. So our password. Oh, I don't know why it's not allowing me. I want to close it from there. Let me see. Okay, let me set the password again. Okay, let me copy. Close. Okay, so let me change password. These are issues. These are the show to all of them. Password be strong for it. So the password is strong. I don't need to update this, so I can change it anytime. So no thanks. So this is what this young lady is going to see coming soon. Copilot. So I believe it's still loading. It's still loading. You know, the first signing. May require the MK. I'm waiting for you to load. Okay, should I try and load the page and see? This is not what I'm expecting. The last time I signed in afresh, it didn't show me this. Or Microsoft you have updated again as usual. Ever updating Microsoft. Okay. Okay. It's coming up. Your back Copilot is free for everybody now. For all the Microsoft 365 accounts. So Copilot is free. Okay. Wow. Seeing this. What am I seeing here? New charts panel. Wow. Okay, this one is rare. Anyway, whichever way, we still talk about, okay, at this point now, this user has found out, this user is able to access our account, access our account, so she has been created for. However it will go, I will let you know. So for now, she has access to whatever she needs to do. If our manager wants her to have any authorization, sorry, any authentication, no, sorry, it's an authorization. That is if the manager wants her to access anything, fine. So it will be done from the end, from here. Let's assume here I want her to have I can change anything, license an app, I can change a license for her. I can decide to give her, add devices to her. I can decide to give her roles. You can see now she's not in any group. I can decide to add her to group, assign membership, or I make her owner of group. It all depends on me. Look at this again. I can also manage role. I didn't give her role during this period. I have countless number of roles in Microsoft 365 that can be managed. So whatever I want her to do, I can just do it from here. So thank you so much for working with me through this journey. I believe it's still a smooth one. Feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, feel free to share your comments. I want to learn more. That's why I'm doing this, so that you know the limit of my knowledge, and I want to learn from you. I want to learn at your feet. Thank you so much. By next time, I'll be coming your way. I will come with a very easy one again. I call it easy because I know you are there to back me up. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will stop the permit me to stop the recording now. Thank you.